What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Robert, aka Pretty Boy Rob, and I'll be rocking with you for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy. For today's video, we grabbed someone's grails and got these things beat, busted. I mean, just check them out. They're looking horrendous, but using our signature shoe cleaning kit, we are gonna bring this shoe back to life. With all that being said, there's not much left to it but to do it. So let's hop straight into this episode of Shoe Care Academy. All right, y'all, the cleaning station is all prepped. Yo, I'm noticing Miguel Street, he got the heat on the feet. He happens to be from Chicago, and this is his favorite shoe of all time. So I don't know what the hell I'm doing here. Yo, Miguel Street, I'm gonna tag you in. You got this video.
It was only right,
you got it, bro.
All right, shout out to my boy, Pretty Boy Rob. He was absolutely right. These are my favorite shoes of all time. So I'm gonna be doing us all a favor and taking care of these and bringing them back to life. So all we gotta do, set this left shoe to the side and start by taking out these laces. All right, so we got our laces out. I'm gonna just drop those in that water. And the next thing we gotta do is just grab our shoe tree, insert it in. Now this shoe tree is one of my favorite products because I hate when my shoe is just sitting there looking all bent up. So this right here will just help us keep that shape and fight those creases over time. So we got our shoe tree in there, nice and snug. So now we wanna go ahead and dry brush the sneaker before we wet it and rub that dirt deeper in. So let's do that now. All right, we got our shoe dry brush. Now we just gotta squirt some solution and get these bad boys soapy. So I know I mentioned that these are my favorite shoes of all time, but I gotta let you know why. In 2015, when I was graduating from high school, my pops pulled me to the side and told me he was gonna get these for me as a graduation gift. But he told me I was gonna have to do all the work and cop them myself. The day before they released, Nike released a statement saying that the shoes were gonna release in-store only. Now, this was a big shocker because I had planned on getting the shoes online, but my only option was to go sit outside overnight and camp out for these sneakers. Trust me, it was not the safest neighborhood. I was pretty sketched out, but with a little company from my brother and 10 long hours on that concrete, we finally made it to the front and I copped the last size 11 they had. It was definitely my favorite sneaker purchase, and I'm even rocking them right now. All right, guys, looks like we're all done with this soft brush. I'm just gonna wipe down the shoe and then tackle the deeper stains with the medium brush. Just a reminder, if you're new here and you're into sneakers, make sure to leave a like and a subscribe. We drop 2 videos every week where we demonstrate how to use our products, and we drop customs and restorations every Monday. The medium bristle brush is the second of our trio. It helps break down the dirt and grime on the midsole, and lucky for me, it can get in the deeper stains on the uppers that the soft brush was not able to do. All right, family, so we are done with that medium brush. Now we just gotta dry off the shoe. And the last step we gotta do with this pre-cleaning is take care of this outsole with a stiff brush. So once I'm done drying it off, I'll get right to that. Your soles are always the dirtiest part of your sneaker, and that's where the stiff brush comes in handy. It's the toughest brush in our arsenal, so it allows you to get the daily grime and gunk off of your sneakers. All right, guys, so this outsole is looking a lot better. The whole shoe, to be honest, is looking a lot better. Everything besides this tongue. I know you guys have been looking at that. And so to take care of that properly, we just want to throw that in the washing machine to truly flush out all that dirt and debris. So I just need my bag.
Yo, Vic, let me get a laundry bag. You got one?
Got you.
Thanks, G. And lastly, the secret ingredient. What's up, my people? We are back, and I want to say, man, these kicks are looking extremely crispy. Now, I gotta be honest, man, we did have to put these in the washer twice just to make sure it flushed out all this dirt on this mesh kind of material. It was dingy the first time around, but after that second wash, it was looking a lot better. So I'm definitely pleased with those results. So you already know, now we just gotta lace them up. We got the shoe all laced up, and as you can see, the before and after just speaks for itself. Just look how trashed and disgusting this shoe is. And then looking at this clean pair. She's beautiful. And honestly, it's reminding me of why these are my favorite sneakers. Just a classic colorway, especially being from Chicago. You can't go wrong with it. And it's pretty crazy to think about. People are getting $1,500 for these shoes brand new. And even in this condition, these shoes are gonna go for about $800 to $1,000 bucks. So that's part of the reason why you wanna keep your sneakers fresh, keep them fresh, and 7 years later, you'll be able to sell them for a pretty penny. So that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. We achieved these results using the Reshoevn8r Deep Clean Signature Bundle. That can be found on reshoevn8r.com. If you liked today's video, leave a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.